welcome to our happy show. So many things we want to know.
How does it rain? I looked at a cloud so fluffy and high. Is there a bathtub up in the sky? Does a giant up there have a leaky old shoe, or a big silver bucket soaking me and you? Pitter patter, rain, rain, splashing on the window and the dusty lane. Jump in a puddle, spin in a ring. Let's see the magic that the raindrops bring. The big gold sun gives the water a hug, warm and cozy like a bug in a rug. The water turns to mist, it's light, and floats to the sky. Right out of sight, up, high in the air where the wind blows cold. The mist gathers round, or so I'm told. They join their hands to make a cloud so fat, soft and white like a big fluffy cat. The cloud gets heavy, the cloud gets gray. I'm too full of water, it starts to say, plink, plink, plonk. They fall to the ground, splashing and crashing all around. Thank you, sun, thank you, rain. Now the flowers can grow again.